Bless up viewers, subscribers, pleasant day to you all. How you all doing? So I just want to talk about the situation that went down online between Spice and the actual reader person that is said to be behind her musical career and the development and expansion of her career as a recording dancehall artist and the top of the game in the female category. So over the weekend, RT shared some real detailed information as it relates to what he did in order to get Spice to the top. He actually shared also some voice notes and actual videos of what really went down. And if one can remember, some time ago, Spice's ex-boyfriend actually said the same thing about that RT Boss had a lot to do with the rising of Spice's career to the top. Now, Spice have remained silent on the matter, and she has not really said anything as it relates to what is going on in regards to that just yet. But a number of people are just waiting to see what Spice will say in regards to that. But this doesn't come as a surprise to many, as many have been thinking about the whole thing and was just wondering how come Spice's career just went on the top just like that. So he also made some serious accusation as it relates to former dancehall queen herself, Lady Saw, as it relates to a jacket that was given to Spice as well. That was real shocking to have heard that coming from RT Boss as well. So he has provided the public with some real information, and the fact that he provided the public with this information was based on the grounds that Spice did not show him that level of respect that he think he deserved. And he came to social media and he actually delivered some real shocking information as it relates to how he was very instrumental in Spice's musical career, from her different albums to her different record sales to the successful implementation of many different things within Spice's career, especially to build her career as a top female recording artist. However, we'll have more to come in another report as it relates to this, so we'll continue just to keep you up to date with this. But you can just tell me what you think in the comment section. How do you feel about this, and how do you feel that he revealed this to the public, and do you believe that he's actually telling the truth with all the evidence that he provided? So we'll keep you up to date with this one. Thanks for watching XW7 TV. Peace out. Bless.